Hi, I'm May. Welcome to Gardening Online. Today we're looking at sweet corn, and this is an unusual sweet corn, and it's a harlequin sweet corn, and it grows with different colours. But this is not actually my sweet corn, this is my neighbour's sweet corn, and he passed on some of these seeds, some of the seedlings, and I added them in my garden. But this incredible array of colours is incredible, and I wanted to show you the height. Well, I'm 6 foot and these are much taller, and we've had some corns off of these and they're nearly all gone. There's a couple of corns left on his hair, but I want to show you mine, and I want to see if we really do get some multicoloured corn. So let me take you to mine and I'll show you. Well, this is the same corn, but it's in my bed, and yes, I'm kneeling down and it's still only just my height, but I think this was due to lack of water at the beginning stage. We have been giving this recently a lot of water and the corns have been filling out, but I want to show you one of these. I'm trying to find a good one to show, and it's interesting that the red stems are really dark red, and we've got some green stems that are green. So it'd be interesting to see if there's much difference in the corns. But I'm quite tempted to look at this one. I don't know. So it's quite firm. The tassels have died off now. This is a good sign that it's nearly ready. It's not massively thick, so I'm a bit worried. But shall we have a look? I think this one's, I don't know, this one here looks fatter. I'm going to choose this one. This one looks a bit, well, this one's got more tassels on the top. Can't decide. It's a bit of a and ahhing game. I want to pick one, but I don't know. If I do it too early, I don't know. Should we just do this one? Should we have a look? Should we give it a reveal? Let's see if we can show you what's inside. So all the tassels are coming down and they're each attached to the corn. We have got some corn. Well, look, we've got some colour. They are different colours, look. How's that? Not sure it's that really ready yet. But look at that, for corn. That is amazing. Look at the colours. Wow. Unbelievable. Look. All those colours. How can corn be that colour? Well, I know my kids ain't going to eat that. It's not yellow. Wow. That is amazing. So I would say maybe it should have been a bit more longer, but things do tend to get eaten a bit on this site, and I just wanted to reveal this before anything else munches it. But look at that, that's amazing. All those colours. Unbelievable. So yeah, I might even just see if we can cover this back up again and see if it can go a bit longer, and see if it goes a bit darker. But what do you reckon about that? Absolutely wonderful. Wonderful. Well, this corn has been really exciting watching it grow, and we've had great fun talking about it and the experiments. But it'd be interesting to see if that does grow any more colours. But that is pretty good. Really pleased with that. Really pleased. So I decided to take my corn off. But look at that. So let me know, have you grown this corn and what results have you had? I'll leave the others to go on a bit longer. Hopefully we can get some bigger corns. But I had to do this before it got eaten last year. All the corn and the whole of the allotment got eaten before we got a chance to see it. So look at that, that is absolutely wonderful.